So in the end, I decided to trim this aperture here by using the file. Now let's see if the button can enter. Almost there. Okay, now it's in. So now I have to push it more like this, and it's in place. Okay, now it's in place. Okay, it looks okay. What about this one? Okay, so both of them look okay, and now I just need to reconnect everything as it was. Okay, so let's try to do it before putting this transformer back in place. So I cut the connection with a resistor in order to remove the button. Now I have to put it back as it was. So I'm speaking about this little thing here. So I have to solder it, and I need to use another soldering iron. So I have only this little thing here, which is a little bit rough. I've built it myself, and it's powered up by a USB. For such kind of small resistor should be enough. Let's see. Okay, so I turn it on. Now I don't have the hood because this is the hood, but I will solder just a little bit of thing here. Okay, so let's see. It's not very easy. Okay, maybe I've done it. Okay. Let me check a little bit more, a little bit better. Okay. So let's put it back. I don't need this soldering iron anymore, at least for the moment. Okay, I put it here for later. And now I have to connect all the wires as they were. So let's prepare for this. Okay.